Belize might be a small country, but it has a huge diversity in culture and food. And the Mayan people are a huge influence on the country, the ancient Mayans, and so much of that culture is still alive within the country. So, in this video, we're going to take a look at some Belizean snack foods that are Mayan influenced or created, and then also take a look at the national dish of Belize that's Creole influenced. Welcome to another Pursuing Travel with the Millers World Culinary Journey. We're going to head back to Belize and sample some of their very different food as they have multiple cultures. This one, we're going to take a look at a couple of Belizean Mayan influenced snacks like the Salbute here. And then we'll look at their main course in a national dish in Belize. So the Salbute is of Mayan origin, and it can be topped with pretty much anything that chicken, beans, things like that. But it's developed by Mayan cooks. So you'll see maize, you fry it, and so it's kind of like a tostada, but with a fluffier, a little bit of a fluffier tortilla, I guess you would kind of say. But not quite. It's different, but delicious. We stopped by a small restaurant that's not too far from the Coxcomb Wildlife Sanctuary, and tried that. Then there's also Belizean empanadas that, colonial, Spanish influence, but the difference is the dough is more maize oriented, which is that Mayan kind of heart, the root. So a little bit Spanish, a little bit Mayan, can be stuffed with fish, chicken, beef, just like the other items. Belizean empanadas are delicious. So let's move on to the national dish of Belize, and that's the Belizean stewed chicken with rice and beans. So this is not a Mayan influenced dish. It's more Creole, but it has, the rice and beans with its dark gravy on the chicken that you have there. And it's really a delicious and healthy dish. You'll find this pretty much anywhere in Belize. And it's not super spicy, but you can spice it up if you want to put some Marie Sharps or something like that on it. And it's eaten by pretty much anyone in Belize. Thanks for watching. Contact us at ET Family Travel if you want to head to Belize, and subscribe if you like this content.